It's St. Patrick's Day. Yeah? What do you want to do today? Yeah. What do you want to do? What do you want to do, Ellie? Oh. What do you want to do? Yeah? What else? You gonna let your sister do all the talking? Hi. Yeah. You gonna talk now? What are you guys doing? Say good morning. Good morning. Oh, what a face. What a face. What a face. Oh, you get a little too excited. Get a little too excited. Yeah. Don't you try to escape from that bouncer. Don't you wiggle your way out of that thing. No, no. Say hi, Ellie. Say hi. Say hi, Anna. What you chewing on? All right. Say bye-bye.